All right, simplifying algebraic expression using multiplication and division. Let's have a look at this. Remember that multiplication is commutative. What does this mean? This means if you take 3, multiply it with 4, and if you reverse the numbers, 4 multiplied by 3, you get the same answer. The same happens with addition. Addition is commutative. So if it was 3 plus 4, that would be same as 4 plus 3. Division is not commutative. So remember that division is not commutative. 2 divided by 3 is 2/3. And this is not the same as 3 divided by 2, which is 3 upon 2. And likewise with subtraction. Subtraction is not commutative. Right? Therefore, A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. And then says, in algebra, we like to leave out multiplication and division signs. And what does that mean? A times B is same as AB. We just get rid of the multiplication sign, but we know it's there. It's always there. Same with division. So A divided by B is same as A upon B. That's how we write it in algebra. Note A times B is same as B times A. So AB is BA. They're the same thing. AB, BA are the same thing because multiplication is commutative. 3 times 4 is same as 4 times 3. But we normally write expression in alphabetical order. Okay? Key ideas, A times B, we just went through this. A divided by B is same as A upon B. Multiplication is commutative. That means the order does not matter. A times B is same as BA. Division is not commutative. And if you multiply or divide something by 1, it does not change it in value. So A times 1 is same as 1 times A, which is same as A. And so with division, if you divide something by 1, the value remains the same. A divided by 1 is equal to A upon 1, which is A. Looking at these examples, 2 times n is 2n. 2 times m times 3 times n. Now, when you get numbers and letters to multiply, always keep it simple. Multiply the numbers separately and multiply the letters separately. So what will I do here? I'll multiply 2 and 3 first. I'll multiply the numbers first. And I get, look at the answer. I got 6 there. And then I multiply the letters. M times n is mn. So the total answer is 6mn. And you see how it's done in the solution. 2 times m times 3 times n. This is doing what I said. Similarly, you can rearrange. So moving the number in front and collecting the like terms. 2 and 3 are constant terms. So we are collecting the like terms. So when multiplying, collect like terms and the letters separately, and you multiply them and you get 6 mn. N divided by 2 is n upon 2. 3 times 2 divided by, x times 3 divided by 2, you follow BODMAS. So in BODMAS, have a look at this. Division and multiplication. This does not mean you do the division first. This means you do division or multiplication, whichever comes first. So if you look at that, the multiplication comes before the division. So you do that. Do the multiplication first, and then you do the division. So x times 3 is 3x, and that divide by 2 is upon 2. That's how we write it. Have a look at that. Similarly, n divided by 2, we did n upon 2, hence 3x divide by 2 would be 3x upon 2. And that's why we get 3x upon 2 as the answer. Let's look at the next one. 6a upon 4. And the question is simplify each of the following expressions. So whenever you get this kind of question, you look at the numbers and try to find out a number that can go into both 4 and 6. So I would think of 2. 2 can go into 4, 2 can go into 6 as well. So if I divide both of them by 2, in other words, 2 goes into 4 twice, and 2 goes into 6 thrice, or 3 times. So on top, I'm left with 3 and a. So 3 times a is 3a. And in the denominator, I'm just left with 2. So 2 comes there, and our answer is 3a upon 2. Same here, if you have 4 divided by 6a, which is 4 upon 6a, and then you can see that 2 is a common number that can go both into 4 and 6. So 2 will go into 4 twice, 2 will go into 6 3 times. So in the numerator, I've got 2 left, and in the denominator, I've got 3a. Hence, our answer is 2 upon 3a.